Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I definitely wanted to do Beetlejuice for my Halloween makeups this year. And this is how she turned out. And if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. Obviously Beetlejuice is dead, so I need to get my skin tone in a complexion that matches how dead he is. And for this I could just use the white, which is in the red, black and white wheel by Ben Nye. But I think that would make it too white, so that is why I have decided to add this color from the dead wheel also by Ben Nye. And by mixing these two I will get a very pale skin tone for myself. I just put both of the colors from the wheels on my mixing palette. I'm just gonna mix it until I get a very nice light skin tone. Now they are all properly mixed. I will get them on my smoothie blender and apply them to my skin. And as you can see, it is almost white, but just not all white. And the cream colors in the wheels have an amazing coverage. They are very easy to work with. They are nice and soft, so easy to apply to the skin as well. So I'm doing my face, my neck and my ears. And the rest will be covered with my Beetlejuice costume. Now I have all the foundation on my skin. I'm going to set it because otherwise it will keep moving on my skin. And that is something I will do with the neutral set powder by Ben Nye. And I'm using the big brush in the beauty line from Titanic Effects. This is brush number 211. So usually I do this with a powder puff, but I misplaced mine. So that is why I'm using this brush today. And as long as you take your time to press that powder into the makeup, you will be fine. Now Beetlejuice has these enormous purple eyes, and that is obviously something I am going to create as well. So I'm using the Lumiere powders by Ben Nye. This is the color Amethyst and it is a lovely shade of purple. I'm gonna put the eyeshadow all the way to my eyebrow, because if you look at a picture of Beetlejuice, he also has the purple all the way around his eye. So this is just the first color that I will put on there. I will darken it up quite a lot, and using a smaller brush I will apply the same color under my eye as well. So the royal purple is a darker shade of purple, and I will start putting it on the outside of my eyes. I'm also putting it under my eyes, but not dragging it completely to the inner corner of my eye. And as always I need black, so I will put this on with the smaller brush. A little bit of white for the corners of my eye, and over that white I will put a bit of white eyeshadow. While I am adding eyeshadow, I will quickly color my waterline black. So when I look at the pictures, it feels like Beetlejuice has very non-existing eyebrows. So I'm just gonna paint mine black today. So now they are black, I feel like I need kind of a bit of a highlight under my eyebrow without making that gray. So this is all just water-based face paint. The black was the Essential Black by Diamond Effects, and this is a diluted version of the white face paint by Diamond Effects. I quickly put some mascara on and a bit of powder on my lips so we can continue to all of the green. So the first color I have chosen is by Diamond Effects. This is a water-based face paint. It is their neon green. And I'm going to stipple it on the skin using the Titanic Effects stippling brush number 110. So there will be a few different colors overlapping. But I will start out with this very bright neon green because I think it will be cool in this makeup, and just randomly stipple this onto the skin. The next color I have is still pretty bright. This is Poison Green, a color by Superstar. A light green also by Superstar. The dark green by Meron. The dark green, also by Superstar. A tiny bit of purple. This is the Storm Cloud by Meron. Nice to smudge everything together. Now the green is on my skin. I feel it's time to get started with my costume. There is the costume and my wig, which I am absolutely in love with. This is a lace fronted wig of great quality. I absolutely love it. And I also popped in my green contacts. So I know that Beetlejuice doesn't have green eyes, but as I was putting on my costume, I saw the contacts and I thought, well, as it is purple and green, they could fit with this makeup, and I think they look, well, very fitting for Halloween. So the final product I'm going to use today is the Mouth Stain by Makeup for Film and Television. This colors the entire inside of the mouth black, and that is something I definitely think fits Beetlejuice very well. So there we go. Yes, and with that mouth stain, my Beetlejuice makeup for today is done. So this one is pretty easy to create, to be honest. It doesn't take that long either, and I do think it looks nice for any Halloween party. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow when we have a new Halloween video.